Hey, how's it going? Welcome to a video from North Coast Workshop. Today's video is going to be the first of many videos like this called Service Shorts, named after YouTube Shorts, which sadly I can't do just now because I've not got enough subscribers. So yeah, hit the subscribe button if you want to see some YouTube Shorts at some point. Anyway, Service Shorts will just be basically a rundown of serviceable areas of the car. So one at a time, it will be the pollen filter, an oil filter change, cam follower change as well, things like that. So they'll just be brief but to the point videos that will show you a step-by-step process of how to do the serviceable areas on your car if you want to do it yourself. I'm not saying you shouldn't take it somewhere to get serviced properly and get the stamp in your book, but if you are wanting to do these jobs at home yourself, some of them are really straightforward, and to pay a garage to do them, it seems a bit pointless. So that's the point in the series, is just to show you how to do things yourself if you want to if you want to try and do it yourself. Anyway, today's video will be replacing the pollen filter on the car. Again, really easy to do, tends to be forgotten about quite often. It's not something you think would affect the running of the car, but it doesn't really, but the interior cabin does get affected by this. Maybe you have bad smells in the car, maybe the previous owner was a smoker, and if so, this could be causing continuous bad smells in your car because it's not been changed yet. If it clogs up with dirt, or if it absorbs the smoke from the previous owner, then when you have the air conditioning system on, this will be continually putting that smells back into your car. So it's worth definitely changing these. If you haven't changed one recently, then have a look and see what like, because it could be dirty, that means. It could be dirty and worth changing. So I think they're about 10 this one was. So yeah, let's get stuck into changing this. Hey, it's Posh Voiceover Kev here. No, I can't keep that up. Start off with T25 Torx. Take the 3 screws out from the cover under the glove box. And then you've got these 2 manual screws that you just twist out by hand. And once it's all out of the way, just pull the cover out to the side. Next up, you've got this cover here. It should be a screw where I've circled. Mine's is missing, and it just slides out so you can see the wee feet that locate into the bottom of the filter. Pop them out to the side and then carefully pull the filter out. Try not to puff up all the dust and dirt that's in it into your face. You can see the state of mine. This wasn't changed that long ago actually, but lots of debris in there. Dust, dirt, flies, everything that comes in from the outside the car gets sucked into the cabin through this filter. So yeah, definitely worth changing. Anyway, this is the new one about to go back in. That's the layout for it. This is a UK car, so right-hand drive, and this is the way the filter sits before it goes back into the housing. Just push it carefully back in. It's a bit of a squeeze at the top there to get it started off. Once it's started, it will go in no bother. Pop the cover back on, so it gets slid left to right here till it clicks into place fully, and then it should line up where that screw would go back in if I had it. Pop the cover back on, and as you probably guessed, just pop the Torx screws back in along with the 2 manual screws as well. So that's it, straightforward job. Remember to like, share and subscribe guys. Appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you next time. Cheers!